So once again, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn complete beginner friendly guide on Claude Code. What is Claude Code? How you can make lots of money from Claude Code? How to implement this Claude Code to build system so that it will help you to earn lots of money. So be tuned at the end of this video, and surely I am guaranteeing you this type of video you haven't seen in this YouTube channel. So let's begin. So today we are going to learn AI coding revolution. What is AI coding revolution? See, so today I am going to do a comparison between ChatGPT and Claude Code. So it is a flywheel, like it closes the gap. Use AI to interview you about your pain point. Let's AI suggest solution and watch AI build. No coding required. Build production ready app, automate tedious task, create real softwares without typing a single line of code. So let's begin. So here, meet your local AI developer. So what is local AI developer? Means the developer who use AI to create something. So see, ChatGPT gives you blueprint. Claude Code shows up with a toolkit and build the house. It runs directly on your machine, creating files, editing code, and testing software autonomously. So now, what is Web AI ChatGPT and Claude Code Local? What is the difference? So let's see. Give text suggestion only. You implement everything manually. Cannot access your local files. No autonomous testing or debugging. And Claude based limited test context. Now what is Claude Code? Why you should prefer Claude Code? To see. Create and edit file on your machine. Plan, writes, text and debugs code. Full agentic autonomy. Builds complete apps from a single prompt. Run privately on your hardware. To see how beautiful it is. Means you can do everything. The three ways to build something using Claude Code. What are the three ways? Claude Code adapt to your skill level, like drag drop simplicity to professional grade control. So desktop app, so best for beginner, like chat, co-work and code. Tabs in a polished interface. No setup required. Just describe what you want and start building. So the terminal, the raw engine, AI text-based interface where you steer the computer with simple command and more control, faster execution, like driving manual instead of automatic. IDE means interface. You can also use this Claude Code in VS Code integrity. See how beautiful it is. Like professional workflow, combine file folders, text editor, AI chat wizard, beautifully organized screen, and many more. So getting started in a minute. How you can start within a minute? So just installation required 10 minutes. What? So a paid Claude plan which is up to $20. I'm thinking so. You can use that one because this Claude Code feature is only available in paid plan, not on free version. API key act like digital hotel room. They grant your app access to external app like Stripe, Google, YouTube, and Google. Store them in hidden local file, okay? And never say them publicly. Install, authenticate, add API key, and start building. So each step is designed for zero friction onboarding. Once authenticated, you are ready to build production software on your own machine. So how's the video? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's see how you can proceed next step. After installing, you should know how to do command, how to on permission, and what type of project should you a project brand should you have to create something. So it has normally permission mode has three modes. One is plan mode, second ask before edit, third bypass permission. So what is plan mode? Plan mode means always you are starting, just you should do plan or not. So just plan it. Means cloud map the architect and ask clarify question. Just if you will tell I want to build an app. So what type of app it should, which problem it solve, who is your targeted audience, all everything it will ask, Claude will ask. Then ask before edit. So Claude requests permission before modifying any file. If you are on the file, you are editing some file, it will ask, is this important to change or not? It will ask you to see how beautiful it is. If it is asking you to change, then you can change. If you are thinking that no, this edit should not be changed, then you will tell no, proceed further. Bypass permission. So Claude acts automatically for rapid development. Use once, trust and workflow want maximum support. What is context management and Claude.md? So AI models have a context window, a short-term memory limit. Means to keep Claude sharp and coefficient, you should use Claude.md. I'm telling why. Because Claude cannot store your data. If you are entering today, I want to build this. Tomorrow, if you will ask, it doesn't remember because it is not prepared for remembering anything. But you can, how you can help them? You can use Claude.md and save in a project, and it will act as a means for permanent plan, completely forever. So like type you can in it, the Claude scans your project file and auto generates the master Claude.md. Stay on the track. Claude reference this file every session, keeping the AI consistent, keeping and across all projects. So what you can do for, see how much prompting you are doing, how much time you will type. Typing takes lots of time. So you can use voice prompting. Means you can download Whisker Flow. It is the tool which is used for convert your voice into text. So you can use anywhere. Just teach what you want, how what type of app you want, how it is UI you design, to whom it audience, and how to solve it problem. Everything it will return in voice to text. Then what can you build? Very amazing. With the Claude Code, what is or how you can build something. The first, website dashboard, browser extension and mobile web page. So how you can create a website dashboard? So generate premium animated website under 5 minutes. Feed whatever you need. Give a screenshot what type of website you need. It will create such type of similar website, but it will not copy. It will take the reference from the website and it will create. Second, extensions. We know that many extensions are available, like Google Map Scraper. Again, what? Uh, Many different type of extensions are available, which is beneficial for the desktop. You can create. You can take one specific problem and you can create extension. How much extension will sell? You will make money. YouTube scripter, blocking distraction, built entirely from scratch to your exact specific exam. Mobile web app. I have already created mobile web app, whose main purpose is to find the problem that is situated in the internet and provide in a systematic way. If you want that tool, link in the bio, go and check it out. It is totally free. Just I want some feedback, how it is, what have improvement in it. If you feel any improvement, please feel free to say in the comment. I am there, I will surely reply. So mobile app web app, what you can create tool like custom calorie tracker, AI image analysis that estimate macros from photos and your food, fully mobile responsive. Then the AI build, how you can build, how you can start. So see, the secret to build fast is a repeatable process. See, this is the complete cycle. Do you know water cycle, frog cycle? Similarly, this is also a cycle. Follow these 4 stages. You will see software with confidence, even a complete beginner. So first up, you need a prompt and a plan. Define your goal clearly. Clearly means clearly. What type of app you need? What type of audience are you solving problem? What is your problem? And what is the age group of your audience? Means completely clear you should be. Let Claude will write everything. Architect before a single line of code. Then iterate. Means make changes one at a time. Don't make multiple changes. If you will do multiple changes, then Claude will become confused and it will make lots of mistakes. So one, if you saw that one error, command them that I want this change, only one change. Second error, second change. The small iteration compound into polished product. Execute. Then verify and debug. Let Claude test its own work. It is the agent which will build also and it will test also if the app is totally functioning or not. If it is not functioning, it will rebuild it. So how beautiful this Claude Code is. So once in your life, please go and try to build something using Claude Code. Okay. Then last execute. Let the agent write and run the code autonomously. Stay in a plan mode until the blueprint is ready. Pro tip. You can set, if you are facing any debugging, just screenshot it and set into superpower. Claude can see UI error in images and will rewrite the exact code needed to fix them. No technical knowledge required. Then agent, this one is agent feature. Agent team and MCP connection. How you can create or how you can build some agents or how you can do MCP connection. So see, once you master the basic, unlock the enterprises level, means business level. These features let Claude coordinates multiple AI workers and connect externally. Means One time you can connect many tools and they will work for you. So how beautiful it is. So what is MCP? Model Context Protocol. The Universal Software Connectors plug Claude directly into Chrome, Asana, Google Drive or Stripe instantly. MCPs act like the USB port. It is the MCP. It will connect to Chrome. It will connect to Google Drive. It will connect to Stripe. Everything for AI, giving Claude real-time access. Like connect to external API seamlessly, read and write data across platform, automate cross-tool workflow. Then what? Sub-agents and agent team. Break complex tasks into parallel workflow. Like research agent. So this agent will do only research. QA agent, this agent will only ask question. So for messy project, a manager agent delivers a dozen of child agent, editing 80,000 lines of code for security vulnerability in a minute. Parallel task execution, specified agent role, and scalable to enterprises workload. So they turn code into income. How you can turn this code, whatever the Claude code, into income? Very easy. Build a simple tool. Single purpose calculator, mortgage, paycheck, calories, attract high intent search traffic and lucrative niches like finance and health. See, if you have any problem in finding what is the demand of the market or what type of gap is there in the market, I have already prepared or I have already made a complete free tool using this Claude code. The link is there in the description. Surely go and check it out. Just you have to give your only what niche name. It will provide all the gap what your niche faces. You can build a app and sell on the online. Capture traffic and lead. Add email capture from before revealing result. Turn free tool into a growing and on audience. You can monetize. Then monetize it. At last monetize. Layer is you can add display ad, upgrade to full SaaS with Stripe building, or sell custom build to client as a freelance agency. The full stack document signing plus payment portal built locally. Manual data entry replaced by automated competitor dashboard. Lines audited, security review completed by agent team completely. So your 90-day roadmap. Follow this progression and you will go from zero to shipping real software and generating real income within 90 days. So day 1 and 7, most important, foundation. If your base is not strong, you cannot go to make money. If your base is very much strong, you are going to make lots of money. Install Claude Code, master terminal basis. Build your first personal tool like simple calculator or to-do app. Focus on understanding the workflow, not perfection. Day 31, then what? You move to day 2, day 8 to 30. APIs and automation. Connect external APIs like YouTube, Unsplash and Stripe. Practice screenshot debugging. Whenever you feel any debugging issue or any error, screenshot it. Ask to Claude, what should I do? Build automated workflow that replace your most tedious daily task. Day 31 to 90, deploy app to live web using Vercel or hosting web. So master agent team and MCP connection, launch your first client project or SaaS product with recurring revenue. So follow your curiosity. When you hit friction, don't quit. Ask Claude to explain it. Every error is a lesson and that makes you a better builder. If you want this PDF, this free PDF, I will provide in the description. So surely go and check it out. If you like the video, it is my honorable request. Please like the video, leave any comment and don't forget to subscribe. So we'll meet on next video.